Hi everyone, this video I am going to show you how to hide likes on Instagram. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, then open the Instagram application and make sure you can use the latest version of the app. After that, look at the bottom right corner. Here you can find your profile icon. Click on them. In the profile page, you can see all of the posts listed there. Find the specific post if you want to hide. Like for example, I am hide this post like so. Tap on it, open the next page. After that, this time my post show up the like count. To hide it, simply tap on the two-line hamburger menu icon. After that, scroll down a little. Here you can find the hide like count. Tap on it and boom, no longer be like count there. That's it. There are also another way you can completely hide like all of post at one time. You can tap on the three-line hamburger menu icon in the profile page and wait to open the page. Now scroll down a little. Here you can see various options. Look for the like and share count option. Tap on them. At the very top, find the hide like and share count. Right now this option is turned off my phone, so simply turn it on. After it's enabled, you can return to the profile page, open any other post if you don't see hide like, but this time no longer be like count there. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching.